Camayuho, rector from 11 Maret University. I will to explain about water management to support green campus in Universitas 11 Maret Surakarta. Water has several dimensions with a space, quantity and quality. Therefore, water utilization should be based on the balance and sustainability of surface water and groundwater. And according to Law of Republic Indonesia number 19 2018 on water resources, management of water resources should be done by the government, community, and individual. To create an environmentally friendly campus, rector of 11 Maret University issued on regulation number 827E on 2015 on the guideline for environmentally friendly campus management, Green Campus Universitas 11 Maret. Water management in Universitas 11 Maret have 4 characteristics. Number 1, efficiency of clean water usage. Number 2, infiltration well and biosphere construction. Number 3, rainwater harvesting full. And 4, wastewater recycling. And output is a reduction of runoff and improvement of groundwater with created balance and water sustainability in Universitas 11 Maret. Number 1, about efficiency of clean water usage. Don't trap water saving campaign via poster as well as socialization to academic staff, supporting staff, and students. Gradual installation of water saving facility and infrastructure in 11 Maret University. Second, infiltration well and biosphere construction. Biosphere have been created over period 2015 to 2019 with more than 500 holes created on campus. The construction of 170 infrastructure will get started in various places from the target of 300 infiltration well. Significant increase of infiltration near 50% following the infiltration well construction. The third, rainwater harvesting full. UNS like have area of 1,206 hectare and volume of water of 7,000 more 900 on UNS Lake is created maintained water balance on campus, laboratory, education tour, and center for student learning. About wastewater reclaim to prevent groundwater population as Water Treatment Plant or IPAL has been built in the campus of 11 Maret University, UNS, which has a capacity of 1,290 cubic meter per day. It was inaugurated on Maret with the support of Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing. Wastewater treatment plant has improved efficiency to near 40 for OCD fermentation, for PUD, and 52% for TSS. For including river, the water management of effort of Saptar Creek campus is based on regulation of Rektor Universitas 11 Maret in 2013 on guideline for environmentally friendly campus management or Green Campus Universitas 11 Maret. It is done that 1. The construction of a spare infiltration hole, infiltration well, and whereas like to line increase to quality of groundwater. Second, the construction of wastewater treatment plant to prevent, survive, and groundwater population. Thank you for all. The Committee of the SECTI International Workshop on UI Greenmatic World University ranking. Thank you.